Changing your verification method on Capital One is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Security Preferences. In the Account Settings, look for an option labeled Security or Verification Methods. Click on this to view your current verification options. Step 4. Choose your new verification method. You will see a list of available verification methods such as SMS, email, or Authenticator app. Select the method you prefer and follow any prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new verification method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to your new method. Follow the instructions to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance.